Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon gift card to another country. This is a fantastic way to send a thoughtful gift to friends or family overseas, and the process is surprisingly straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will give you access to all the features you need to purchase and send your gift card internationally. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the top search bar and type Amazon gift card. Hit enter or click the search icon to proceed. You'll be presented with a list of results showcasing various gift card options available on Amazon. Browse through the result list carefully. You'll see different categories such as any occasion, seasonal, Amazon, appreciation, celebration, greetings, and memes. Take your time to select the gift card that best fits the occasion or the recipient's personality. Click on your preferred gift card to open its details page. Here's where it gets fun. You can also customize the design by clicking on the pre-designed options. Amazon offers a variety of themes and styles, so feel free to personalize it to make your gift even more special. Next, you'll need to select your gift amount. You can either choose from the preset amounts or type in the exact amount you'd like to send. This flexibility allows you to tailor the gift card to fit your budget or the recipient's needs. Now navigate to the delivery section. Here you'll see options to select email, shareable link, or text message. Choose the delivery method that works best for you and the recipient. For instance, if you preferred email, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the email address to ensure your gift reaches the right person. If you want to customize the gift message, you can type your personal note in the text field provided. Adding a heartfelt message can make the gift even more meaningful and shows the recipient you're thinking of them. Navigate to the delivery date section and click the calendar picker to select your preferred delivery date. This feature is great if you want to time the gift for a special occasion like a birthday or holiday. In the right panel, you'll see a button that says Buy Now. Click on it to proceed to the checkout process. This will take you to the payment and review page. Select your payment method from the options available. Amazon typically saves your payment details, but you can also add a new payment method if needed. Finally, click Place Your Order or the Final Purchase button shown on that country's Amazon site. This confirms your purchase, and your gift card will be sent to the recipient on the date you selected. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Amazon gift card to another country. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.